Today, we go to the supermarket.
Yay!
I like shopping.
We need to buy food for the week.
Can I get snacks?
Yes, but only a few snacks.
Okay, Dad. Mom, do we need fruit?
Yes, we need apples and bananas.
Let's take a cart.
I want to push the cart.
Be careful, James.
I will be careful.
Look, fresh apples.
They look very good.
Put 6 apples in the cart.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I like bananas.
Then get a bunch of bananas.
These are yellow and nice.
Good choice.
What is next? We need vegetables.
Let's get carrots.
I don't like carrots. Carrots are healthy.
Okay, I will try.
These carrots are big.
Yes, they are fresh.
Put them in the cart.
Done. Done. Can we get chips?
Not now. We buy food first.
Look, tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Huh? We need some tomatoes.
Take 4 tomatoes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Can I hold one?
Yes, but be careful.
It is soft.
Yes, don't drop it.
Now, let's get milk.
Milk is in the fridge section.
Here it is.
So cold.
Take 2 bottles of milk. 1 and 2. Can we get chocolate milk?
Just one.
Thank you, Dad.
Put it carefully in the cart. We need bread, right?
Yes, we do.
This bread looks fresh.
It smells good.
Take 1 loaf. Okay?
Okay. I like sweetbread.
Maybe next time.
Okay.
Now, eggs.
Eggs are here. We need eggs for breakfast.
Be careful with eggs.
I will not drop them. Take 1 box. Got it.
They are fragile.
Those are fragile.
Yes, very fragile.
I will hold them carefully.
Good job. Good job.
Now snacks?
Yes, now snacks.
Yay!
Chips. Only 1 bag.
Okay, 1 bag. I want cookies.
Choose 1 pack of cookies.
Oh, these look tasty. Good choice.
Thank you, Mom.
What about juice?
Yes, we need juice.
Orange juice or apple juice?
Orange juice. I like apple juice.
Let's get both.
Great! Put them in the cart.
Put them in the cart.
Done. Done. Done.
The cart is almost full.
Do we need rice?
Yes, we need rice.
I can help.
Good teamwork.
Yes, very good.
The cart is full now. So many things.
Yes, we have a lot.
What? Let's check the list again.
Let's check the list again.
Let's go to the checkout.
Okay.
I see a long line.
We will wait.
Waiting is boring. Be patient. I will count items. Huh?
That's a good idea.
1, 2, 3. You are funny.
It's our turn now.
Put items on the counter.
I will help. Me too.
Careful with eggs.
Yes, Dad. Everything looks good. I want to scan items.
Maybe next time.
Okay, when I am taller.
The total is ready.
I will pay.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's pack the bags in the car.
That was fun.
Let's come back next week.
Put the rice in the corner.
Okay, let me organize this.
Take this bread, James. I will put it right here. Do we have everything?
Yes, we are ready to go.
Buckle your seatbelts. I am ready to eat an apple.
A successful shopping trip.
I can't wait for my chocolate milk. We are home. Let me help carry the bags.
Put the eggs and milk in the fridge.
I will handle the milk. Shopping was great.
I hope you have fun shopping too.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video. Oops, sorry. I'll pick it up.
No problem, son.
1, 2, 4. Oh, wait, I forgot 3. Focus.
Ow! Ow! That trunk is low!
Be careful, dear.
Goodbye! Goodbye, and have a nice day!
Next time, let's go on a picnic.
Awesome!